and welcome. I'm so excited. I have another trunk club today. If you don't know what a trunk club is, it's by Nordstrom. You get it when you want it. You work with the stylist. Mine is Tara. So now that they're having great sales at Nordstrom, you can request sale items. When you get the trunk, it comes obviously in this nice box. I took everything out already because it comes wrapped in plastic. So I removed everything from the plastic. Excuse me. I removed everything from the plastic and I'm just gonna go straight to the Tryon. I'm not gonna go through each piece. We can do that when I model it for you. So I think I have a $50 credit coupon. So if this is something that you want to try, your first trunk, you will get no styling fee and a $50 credit. Normally there is a $25 styling fee, which will go towards anything you purchase from the trunk, or if you have a Nordstrom's credit card, there is no styling fee at all. So you just get the trunk and then shop away. So when you open up your trunk, you get your note from your stylist along with the nasty prices. But they're not so nasty because if they're on sale, they'll give you the sale price. And then you find when you check out that if they're even more on sale, you'll get that. So it comes with the little things to package it back up and your free shipping. And what I do, it's hard to read because it's silver, you can just call UPS or let UPS know when you check out and they'll just come and pick it up from your door. And with us being home, you know, I just put it out when I know they're gonna come. So in my box here, I think I have, I don't know, like 10 pieces. Yeah, so you do get $50 and I'll leave the link below so that if you want to give it a try. As I said, they've been having some really nice pieces. I bought some sandals from them and I think I got them on sale for like $40, so that was pretty good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go try them on and we'll go through the prices as I try them on. So don't go anywhere. I'll be right back. And if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. If you like this video and its content, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future video. And if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're returning, as always, thank you so much for your loyalty to my channel. I really appreciate it. So with all that out of the way, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back with the first outfit and I went to go try on those tan color shorts. They were a size 8, but they were too small and they were from the UK. So we all know the people from the UK are very skinny. So that must have been the reason that they didn't fit. But I am wearing the, if I can find it, the Whisper Cotton V-neck pocket tank. It's a large in black, $13.50, going in the closet. It's super comfortable. Make sure I don't knock down the motorcycle. It fits great. I'm loving it. And I have this paired with, I did a Stitch Fix and I'll leave the link. They had a pair of the Liverpool skinny jeans. They were like the, I think the boyfriend where they rolled up, and they emailed me that they could get them in my size. And so I am wearing them with those pants. So just to let you know. And I also have on the, let's find it, the Sophia Slide Sandal by Treasure and Bond in there in a black. They're $69.95. But they're super comfortable. So I am going to bend the camera down. So here is the top, and these are those Liverpool pants, and I think they fit great. And here's the sandals. I don't know, I will show them to you at the end, but they're super comfortable. I'm gonna check and see if they went down even farther, but I don't know if I'm ready to pay $70 for a pair of flat, super comfortable shoes. So let me know what you think of those. But the t-shirt, yeah, it's definitely a keeper. So I will be right back, oops, with the next outfit. Okay, a few items did not work. So I am with the Sincerely Jules Hard to Tell Stripe Cotton and Linen Blended Shorts, I think. It's a multi. They're $35.96. And yeah, it was the stone shorts that didn't fit. And then and then I have on the rumpled satin blouse in ivory. It's Vince Camuto, and it's $59. So I'm going to tip you. So here's the Vince Camuto. It's nice. It's a little see-through. I don't think I would really wear it for $60 as a play top. It's very nice for work. I don't know if you're getting a glare, but it's nice. I'll have to check and see if this is the final price. And these are the shorts. They're actually kind of cute. They have pockets. I don't know if you can see. I'll do a close-up when I do the recap. They're really kind of cute. I don't know how clean I could keep them, but they're very comfortable. They're just a pull-on elastic waisted short. I didn't put any shoes. They would go cute with those sandals. So let me know what you think of this outfit. And I think I just have the tank left. The two dresses were a no. I didn't like them. So, oops, as I get you dizzy, I'll be right back. Okay, I am back with the cross-back checkered camisole. It's a large Chelsea 28 in black, and it's $35.40. And I actually like it. I don't have it on with the right bra. I have to totally wear a strapless. So this is the front. It's really cute and comfortable, and then I'll turn around and show you the back. But it went on super comfortable. It would be great to wear under stuff or even by itself. I don't know if that's a good price for a camisole, but it does fit comfortable. I mean, I'm not hanging out anywhere, and it is without flashing you. It's got the double layer, and if you can see, it's got the pattern there. So I do kind of like this. So what'd you think? So I'm gonna go grab everything, and I will be right back, and we can kind of recap everything, and then I'll show you what I didn't show you. So give me a second. Okay, back with the recap. What did you think of that trunk? She told me that they didn't really have a lot of shorts, probably in my size. I've noticed from watching YouTubers' trunks, the smalls and extra smalls are in quantity, not so much in my size. But the Treasure and Bond, they were super, super cute. I checked, they're still $70. I really did like them, but not $70 worth. I have some other sandals that I bought, and I feel the quality was better, so I'm gonna take a pass on these. I will keep an eye out, and maybe they will have a sale on them, but they were cute. Then we had the little tank top, and this was by, I guess I could look at my price sheet, but anyway, cute, was $13.40. It is a keeper, so you will probably see me wear that. And that was the Whisper Cotton V-neck pocket tank in black by Madewell, and that's a keeper. And it'll be so perfect for out here. And then we had a little spider web black tank. Got to figure out, it was really actually easy to get on once I figured out what I was doing wrong, but and it had that pattern to it, super comfortable, and believe it or not, I decided to keep it. I'll have to wear a strapless with it, but it'd be perfect with white shorts or white pants, and so that was also a keeper. And let me see if I can find the crossback jacquard camisole by Chelsea 28 in black was $35.40. I really don't know how much camisoles go for, but I didn't think it was a bad price. These shorts, they were cute. They have pockets. They're a little see-through. I got to find them. These were Gibson, I don't know which one. Mother Chic shorts, Gibson Stone. They were $30, probably not a bad price, but I can see bad things happening with these shorts, being that they're white. They were cute, but I probably would not reach for them. So they're going back. I was undecided on this top. It's cute, the material, it's a nice material. It fit good. This was the, and it was normally $59. And let's see if I can find this. This was the rumpled satin blouse. This is the Vince Camuto. And it's on sale for, I think, $30, or $35.40, which isn't a bad price, but I don't know where I would wear it to, when I would reach for it. It is a little see-through, and you know, I just got that Trend box, and I kept that outfit, so I'm gonna send this back. So let me know if I'm making a mistake. Then the items that you did not see. I asked for some cute summer dresses, you know, like shift dresses, things I could just kind of throw on. So she sent me this Chelsea 28. The material is not so much. It's a cute dress. Had it been maybe a t-shirt material, so I didn't even try it on because it's something I would never wear. And that, I think it's called the crepe shift dress, in black, was $89. I don't know if it was cheaper, but I would never reach for it. The other thing that I was not able to try on because they were a little short and the back area was a definite, Mom, you seriously are not even gonna try those on kind of thing. And these were the Billy Bong, and they were a large. So yeah, they are a definite no. and they were $35.96. But yeah, they are definitely not something Mom could wear. And then there was this dress, a little bit longer dress. Again, it was a no. It's like a giant pillowcase, okay? I wasn't gonna try it on. I wouldn't reach for it. It probably wouldn't even look good on me. And that was a sleeveless satin charmeuse midi dress in blue, $71.40. Again, I didn't even check to see if it was on sale. Then I really wanted to try this top on. I wanted to try it on with those like white shorts and just to see how it looked. I'm normally not a green person, but there's 2 buttons in the back, and I was just watching Barb from BC Sells, and she was having the same issue with these buttons on the back. And not only is there 1, but there was 2. You can see that. And I couldn't undo the 1. I finally got the 1 done, but I couldn't undo that. So I can see myself screaming being stuck in the shirt. So it's the Nordstrom dark green. It retails for $49. And I don't even know where it is. I think it was on sale for a really good price, $29.40. So it wasn't a bad price. If it had a little zip up back, I would have considered it, but I couldn't even get the button undone. And then the last thing was Topshop, and I was kind of hoping that these would fit because they're cute. You know, they're rough. They got the little pleats on here. They're a size 8. These were the ones from the UK, but I couldn't even do anything with the top. I couldn't even get them to go over the belly area. So, and I'm afraid if I go up to a 10, then they might be loose in other areas. And they were stone, and they were $49 retail. I don't know if they were on sale for cheaper. They might have been. So she did a great job trying to put together what I asked her for. The dresses definitely weren't anything that I would have shopped for. I do like the tank. I really do like the shoes, but I am just not ready to spend $70 for a pair of sandals that, especially out in the desert with the rocks and stuff like that. So let me know what you thought of the fix. Let me know what you thought of the 2 items that I kept. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, you have an awesome day.